back to another video with your girl. I am Jacinta. I'm not gonna talk much on this video. This video is to show anyone that is interested or thinking about going to the Royalton, Negril, Jamaica. This video is for you. I'm gonna actually show you the property. I'm gonna show you different things in the property, but I did want to jump up here to let you know my pros and my cons really quick here. The pros is the resort, the upkeep on the outside landscaping is 100%. I really loved how the property was well kept up. In the room there is some wear and tear because I know this has been around for some time now, so there was like wear and tear on some of the furniture, but it wasn't as noticeable, or it wasn't like, oh my god, I need to change my room. If you ever stayed at a inclusive resort, then you know the food is kind of hit or miss. One of the reasons why I was hesitant of staying here was some of the reviews. The reviews will have you so scared, but honestly, the food, the first night the food was horrible, so I had zero expectation moving forward. We did do the buffet when we got there. It was not good at all, but as the week started to go, we stayed there 6 days and the food got a little bit better. I would recommend getting in those restaurants that you have to make a reservation to. I think the Japanese restaurant you have to make a reservation to, and the seafood restaurant was really good. This is one reason why when I get off of the plane internationally, I go to duty free and I get whatever alcohol that I like and I just buy it there, and then throughout the stay, I'll drink what I have purchased, because I'm really picky when it comes to things like that. But I will say, just make sure that you do the eat-in restaurants. They are so much better. But here is the important tip here. They have a new part of the Royalton. It's called the Grand Lido. Guys, I will highly recommend, as we were going, we were talking with one of the waiters there, and they mentioned that they are so booked out for the dinner portions. We couldn't even get in until next week. So if you're booking through a travel agent, or if you're booking, you already booked, I will highly suggest that you let whoever know to book you a dinner reservations at the Grand Lido. It is a part of the resort and you will see it in this video. I highly recommend getting breakfast. If you are staying at the Hideaway, which is where we stayed, the adult side is actually on that side, so you do get to dine in at that restaurant. The restaurant is outside, but the breeze that comes through the restaurant, you're not even gonna feel like it's really hot, because it was like the perfect time. I went in July and I could sit out there all day, every day. That was one of the hidden gems that I loved about this resort. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right on to it. If you guys have any questions in the comments, just let me know and I'll comment. I'll let you guys know anything that you would like to know. And another thing, if you're flying into Montego Bay, I would highly suggest getting the Mumbai departure. It's a lounge there. It's really nice. They have like massages, you can get food there, drinks there, everything is free, and I would highly suggest that you get that for your departure. They help you go through the lines, they help you with immigrations, all of that. It's kind of like a TSA pre-check, and it's like a VIP line that you go to. You don't have to stand in line. I went on not Memorial Day. I went on July the 4th, and the airport was it wasn't as packed as I thought it would be, but it was packed. And so I'm glad that everybody in our party, they signed up for the Mumbai. It was totally worth it on departure only. I wouldn't say I would get it for the arrival, because once you get there, you're ready to like go, and your transportation is more likely gonna be there waiting for you. So I wouldn't do it on the arrival, but I would do it on the departure. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.